Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your hairstyle in Heartopia. So if you want to glow up, whether you're heading to a party, at a friend's house, or maybe just want a fresh look on your avatar, so in here I'm going to show you how you can change your hair. So if you click on your watch and click on your photo in here and find the edit avatar options, so as you guys can see, there is no options to change your hairstyle. So what you need to do, if you want to change your hair, you can just click on the map, and in here you can find Dorothy with a clothes icon on it. You can just track her in here, and you can find her in the central square, the city central. You can just find her store, Dorothy. Okay, so once you're in here, you can just head inside, and then you can go to this room in here. Then click on the hat icon at the top, and there will be new hairstyles that you can try on, like this. And if you like it, you can now just click on purchase. Click on purchase again. And if you want to switch to the new hairstyle, just click on confirm. And that's it. Now your hair is new. So guys, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks.